Hello, bit of a different video today. What we're going to do today is clean the caravan. So I've got my scruffs on. Claire's going to empty the inside out and clean the inside. I'm going to do the outside on the roof all round because it goes in for its first year service next Friday. So we just wanted to give it a good clean to start the season off well before we did so. So thought might as well video it.
Wanna be free of this heart. Feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow.
So I've gone over it first with just hose pipe, water down, then I'm spraying it all with this. And what that will do is just give all the soap suds a chance to get all the grime off before I start washing it.
Every time I remember that it's over.
I'm now running out of this, so I'm going to make up the concentrate. I think on the back here it says something like 1 to 20, so I'll do that next. I'm just going to give you a little look around of how dirty the van is before we start cleaning it.
Trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. I always
front. I'm going to clean it all down first, then we're going to open the windows, try and get in all the crevices. Well, we've finished cleaning it. It's looking very bright now. So I'll turn you around and give you a walk around it. Whilst I've been doing the outside, Claire's been doing the inside. So hello, Claire.
Hello.
So we're going to take all of the cushions and everything out soon, ready for its service on Friday. But generally, job well done.